non-profit organization committed to improving the well-being of pregnant mothers, newborn infants and children in the last 5 years of their life have been awarded $1,15,000, which is approximately 74 lakhs, to scale up their customized free mobile voice call service, M-Mitra. The service provides tailored preventive healthcare information to pregnant women and mothers of children under 5 years of age. M-Mitra has enrolled over 1 million women across 7 states in India since their pilot program was launched in 2013 in Mumbai. The mobile service was celebrated at a roundtable discussion with stakeholders, policymakers and Save the Children's artist ambassador Dia Mirza, marking the first time an Indian NGO has won the Healthcare Innovative Award. A visibly happy Dia Mirza spoke at length about the benefit of the Healthcare Innovative Award.
Save the Children is an incredible organization that has made great strides in bringing awareness and actively pursuing solutions connected to children's rights issues and children's problems across the globe. I'm really privileged to be Save the Children's first artist ambassador in India, and I'm very encouraged by the initiative that they show and the work that they do in improving the lives of children. Earlier this year we launched a SOP, a standard operation program to help children in street situations. It's like a guideline to not just government but even private organizations and people who belong to civil society. So if you want to make a difference in the life of a child who is living in street situations or what we call a street child, you can actually refer to that standard operation procedure and learn from it and do things that will help the child and benefit the child. Yesterday was International Children's Day, and we launched another new document that will be shared with governments across the country. It's called Stolen Childhood. It's an index report that helps governments understand what is the status of children in not just India but across the world. And it's really, really sad to see that India ranks 117 out of 172 countries, which means that the happiness index of children in India is very, very low. And happiness is not contributed just by material access or things that they need, but it starts from food, shelter, security, access to education, access to playgrounds, to be able to enjoy the full beauty of what childhood should be. And today's program has been very, very encouraging for me because I got to meet an amazing lady called Dr. Aparna Hegde, who has, who instituted a program called Arman, and she's actually launched something called M-Mitra, which is an app. It's actually a service provided to women in marginalized society to help them through prenatal and postnatal care for children. So जब वो प्रेग्नेंट होती है तब से लेके जब तक उनका बच्चा होता है, पहले 4 साल तक उनको एक गाइडेंस मिलती है थ्रू अ वॉइस मैसेज रेगुलरली, जो तो उनके साथ कोई उनको अवेयरनेस देने के लिए, उनको शिक्षा देने के लिए और उनका साथी बनने के लिए एक टेक्नोलॉजी काम में आया है और बहुत फ़र्क पड़ा है महिलाओं के जीवन में इस ऐप से। सो और उनको हेल्थ इनोवेशन अवार्ड में पूरे दुनिया में जो हेल्थ इनोवेशन अवार्ड होता है वो 4 लोगों को मिलता है और 4 लोगों में से डॉक्टर अपर्णा हेगड़े एक हैं जिनको ये अवार्ड मिला है। सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी एंड इंस्पायर्ड क्योंकि आई थिंक पीपल लाइक डॉक्टर अपर्णा हेगड़े टेल अस दैट you don't have to be a part of an organization or a part of government to impact change. You can be a citizen who's aware, who's empathetic, and you could be a professional in any field and choose to make a difference. It starts from initiative, and she's made such a big difference, and I'm so proud of her.